as we know that we have Christmas coming up day after tomorrow.
Yeah.
So are you guys excited for it?
Very much.
So what are your plans for this Christmas?
We are going to Arijit's concert tomorrow.
We're just having a break after a long semester, and we're just gonna be, having fun and chilling and relaxing around.
So what is the spelling of Santa Claus?
We really don't know.
Nee, you.
S-A-N-T-A-C-L-A-U-S-E.
So S-A-N-T-A-C-L-A-U-S-E.
Yeah.
S-A-N-T-A Santa Claus, it's C-L-A-U-S-E.
Okay, so S-A-N-T-A-C-L-A-U-S-E.
S-A-N-T-A-C-L-A-U-S.
Well, your other E comes, right? E comes or E does not come?
E does not come, right?
Claus.
Santa Claus, C-L-A-U-S.
No, E does not come. I'm sorry,
But
E
the
does not come.
spelling of Claus is C-L-A-U-S-E.
Yeah, but this is Santa Claus.
Claus.
So, I'm sorry.
S-A-N-T-A-C-L-A-U-S-E. S-A-N-T-A-C-L-A-U-S-E.
It is S-A-N-T-A-C-L-A-U-S.
So is it not C-L-A-U-S-E?
No, it is not.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, I'm sure about it.
A-U-S. E.
E.
No, A-U-S.
Claus.
C-L-A-U-S, not E. Are you guys sure about that?
Yes.
S-A-N-T-A-C-L-A-U-S.
In which city of India was Jesus Christ born?
Mumbai.
It's Kolkata.
It's Kolkata. Are you sure about it?
No. No.
Kolkata. He's not sure about
Guess
it.
Goa.
Goa. Well, Goa. Okay.
Goa?
Goa. And your answer?
No idea, I have no idea.
No idea.
He was born in Jerusalem, not in India. I'm sorry.
Well, you're right
Jesus
there.
Christ was not born.
Jesus Christ was not
He
born.
was born in some Athens or that
Athens,
kind.
yes.
Yeah.
Athens.
This is Sparta!
And in which city of India was Jesus Christ born?
It was in Jerusalem, right? It's not in India.
He wasn't born in India, until I know.
He wasn't born in India.
No,
So
I-
you're saying, what's your name?
Riti.
Riti is saying that Jesus Christ was not born in India. And in which city of India was Jesus Christ born? Yeah, you can Google it.
Remember exactly.
You can just make a guess in which city of, or say which state of India was Jesus Christ born.
State?
Yes.
No idea.
Okay. And what is the mode of transport used by Santa Claus to travel? Like we travel via two-wheeler, so
It's a three-wheeler like a bullock cart.
Yes.
like a bullock cart.
Yeah.
City of India.
Come on, you can do it. In which city of India was Jesus Christ born?
Was he born in India?
You can just guess. Yeah.
Goa.
Goa. Mumbai, Goa.
Panji mein.
Panji, yeah, Goa, Panji, same thing, yeah. Well, and we keep singing this carol. Diu. Another good guess. That was, yeah, close. Well, we keep singing this.
Dadar Nagar and
Dadar Nagar and Haveli, Diu, Silvassa. Well, moving on to the next question. We keep singing this carol. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. What comes next?
Santa Claus is coming along, riding on its
I ride it on the
sleigh.
Oh, what fun it is to ride on one horse open sleigh. Oh, what fun it is to ride on one horse open sleigh.
And what you guys are saying? Santa Claus is coming along, riding on his sleigh.
On its sleigh, huh?
On a sleigh.
I think
on
so.
its leg.
Santa Claus is coming to riding all the way.
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Santa Claus is coming, riding all the way. That is all we.
no idea.
So we keep singing jingle bell, jingle all the way. So what are the next two lines in the?
Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh.
I don't know.
She is correct. Okay? She is correct. Because the general notion is that
I think
Santa
he had
Claus.
learned everything before the.
No, I have not.
No.
We are meeting for the first time.
I really don't know.
Santa Claus is coming around, riding on a sleigh.
Santa Claus is coming around like
Riding on it.
riding on his sleigh. Well, great. And what are the New Year resolutions you guys are having?
Well, the New Year resolution, it would definitely be that I won't break my resolution. Like, I won't forget about it for the entire year.
That's pretty much of a resolution.
That I'll not fail in any subject and I'll get 3+ GPA.
Not. I'll keep it as a secret to me.
My New Year resolution, just to do party.
Okay, that's awesome.
That's all.
Yeah.
Just
That's-
only party.
Well, let me tell you, Jesus Christ was born not in India, in Bethlehem in Jerusalem.
Oh,
Okay.
I knew that.
What fun it is to ride in a
Oh my
one-horse
God.
open sleigh.
Alright.
Okay. So spelling of Santa Claus is SANTACLAUS. Santa does not come with a clause in India. Okay. So thanks a lot. Thank you so much for being a part of the video. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello guys, I am back. So if you guys like the video, share it with as many people as possible because I know you guys liked it. And even if you guys don't like it, subscribe to my channel because more new and original content will be coming up soon. So follow the Bibhav on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Also we have the photography and videography partner, the Snap Factory by Param Popat. Do like their Facebook page and follow them. Thank you guys.